Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are seeing this face for the very first time, hi, my name is Apurva. I make content on beauty and lifestyle. So please take a moment, hit that subscribe button, also press that bell icon so every time I upload a video, you will get notification. So in this video, I would be trying out 10 different lip and cheek tints. So stay tuned till the end of this video to find out who wins. So guys, I would rate them on 3 different parameters, that is ease of application, pigmentation and the longevity. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Day 1 lip tint is Idiot House Glow Fixing Tint. This is in the shade Moment and I have used this tint before, but look at that color. The application is so easy. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful. Applying as a cheek tint and it's blending so easily and it's not lifting my foundation up. Look at that. Look at that glow. It's so beautiful. The pigment is not that great, but it's blending so smoothly. Also, it doesn't lift my foundation up. But I like as a lip tint more. Like it give you very sheer coverage, and I don't like this as a cheek tint, but as a lip tint, when you need almost zero to sheer coverage, it will give, and it looks so natural and so beautiful. Checking in after few hours of application and I had full-fledged meal like proper lunch and the tint is gone. There is no tint on my lips. It's just slight bit of stain on the lips and on the cheeks you can see the color is fading off like from the center. Although the shine is there but the color is fading off. So I am done with my base and today I am going to try out this Revolution PH lip tint and this is what the packaging looks like and it retail for $6.95. It has a thick doe foot applicator and also this is oil based. Oh, can you see the color is changed? And this gives so natural color to my lips. This is so hydrating. This is freaking hydrating. This is oil-based formula and I don't know how it will look on my cheek. So let's apply a little bit and blend it. Oh, color has already changed. It is removing my makeup little bit and look at that glow. I don't need any highlighter after this. If you are a dry skin and you apply it on cheeks, then definitely you will love this product. I am sucker for this natural flush of color. I will just set my face with the setting spray and I will see you guys after some time. It has been quite a few hours since I have applied this and can you see the blush is faded but the shine is still there, which I really like. There is no oil on my lips but my lips are so nourished and it left a tint, like there is no product coming off. Can you see there is no product? And I had my lunch, I had my snack, and it did a pretty good job. And it's around 4:30 in the evening, so it did a decent job. I applied it at 10:30ish. The next lip tint I would be trying is Mosaic Mansion lip tint and this is so beautiful shade. This is in the shade 022 Pairing. The fragrance is so soothing. It has rose fragrance and now I will apply it on cheeks. Oh, it's blending so beautifully. Oh wow, it's blending in so seamlessly. It is not picking my foundation up. With this, you have to work slightly faster because it will leave the stain and there will be mark on the cheeks. This is what it looks like when freshly applied. Checking in after few hours, I had a drink, I had a snack, and the lip tint is going strong. And the blush is also going so strong, but I think it has been faded from the apples of the cheek. What do you guys think? Let me know. Next, I will be trying out Drip Lip Mist by Mars, and this is in the shade Cocoa Drip. This shade looks so stunning. Now I will apply it as a blush. It's blending in so seamlessly, so easily. And look at that shade. It's so beautiful. And it is not lifting my foundation up and it's blending so seamlessly. And the pigment is top notch. Checking in after 3 to 4 hours, I had my full fledged lunch and the tint is not there, but it leaves the stain on my lips and the stain is so beautiful. Also, the stain is not transferable and the stain is not coming off. Talking about the blush, the tint is not there, but it has stained my cheeks and it is still going strong. Next, I'm trying Zero Velvet Tint by Roman. This is in the shade Fierce, and this is bright red color with the hint of blue undertone to it, and it looks so beautiful with and without makeup. Also, it looks so beautiful on all the skin tone, and look at that. The application was so smooth, it was like butter. And let's just apply it on the cheeks. Oh my god, it's blending like a dream, and it is not moving my foundation. And look at that pigment, it is insane. Checking in after few hours of application, like you can see the lip tint is very much there. I have munched on snacks, I have drank a lot of water, although it does transfer, but the tint is very much there. Talking about the blush is not fade out from anywhere. The blush is so intact. Overall, it's worth buying this. Next, I will be trying out Mars Mousse Matte Tint and I am using the shade 11 Showstopper and it's very beautiful coral brown color. It has texture like chrome and velvet tint. It is highly pigmented. Wow, it's looking so beautiful. The shade itself looks so stunning. And now I will be using a stick tint. The pigmentation is good and it is lifting my foundation. I hope the camera is capturing. If you want to use it as chick tint, then you can skip the foundation. Like if you are applying foundation, I would suggest not to use because it is lifting my foundation. This is what the product look like. I will see you guys after few hours. It has been quite a few hours since I have applied this and as you can see there is no tint left on my lower lips but there is slight bit of tint on my upper lip but it's also so much faded. And talking about the blush, there is slight bit of color on both the cheeks but the blush is completely faded. Another day, another lip tint. I will be trying out Blue Heaven Paint and Pout lip tint and this is in a form of paintbrush. You have to click the product. This is what the product look like. The application is easy and it straight up smell like chocolate. Now as a cheek tint. Oh, it's highly pigmented. And with this, you have to work fast. And please don't come at me because I have blush blindness. It is not lifting my foundation. To click again and again, it's bit tedious, but overall the shade and the pigment is so good. Checking in after few hours of application, it has been more than few hours. Like I have applied this around 10:30 in the morning, and currently it's 5:15 in the evening. Like, can you see it has been more than 6 to 7 hours since I have applied this, and my lip stain is as it is. And this is not going anywhere. I had my lunch, I had my tea, I had my snack, but this is not going to budge. And look at my blush. The blush is slightly faded, but the color, the pigment is still very much there. So I really like this product. I was about to get ready and to step out of my house, so it's a perfect time to test another lip and cheek tint. And today I will be trying out Maybelline Super Stay Teddy Lip Tint. Basically, it's a lip and cheek tint. This is in the shade Knee High. Oh, it's blending like a dream. But the pigment is not that great. Or maybe the other shade have pigment, so I don't know. I have only one shade. Yeah, it's looking natural. This is what I want. It giving natural flush of color. And it's looking so natural. And once it settle down, it doesn't blend further. And it give enough time to blend. And look at that natural flush of color. I love it. Checking in after few hours of application, I went to market, I did a shoot, I had my lunch, and this is what the tint look like. The tint is there. The blush is also there. The tint and blush are so intact. This is not going anywhere. This is not going to budge, and this will last you so long. A new day, a new lip tint, and new bhasad. So today I will be trying out Future Beauty lipstick, and guys, don't come at me. I know it's a lipstick, but it looks so pretty as a blush. And the consistency is tint like, so I am considering this as a tint. And look at the formula. It's so cloud-like. This is looking so pretty. It's blending in so beautifully. It's so pigmented. And guys, I know I have blush blindness, but it looks so pretty. And I have applied a thin layer of skin tint, but it is not moving my skin tint. And look at that. It looks so pretty and so natural. So guys, checking in after few hours of application, as you can see, there is just a tad bit of outline on my lips, but there is no product or no pigment left on my center of the lip. And see the situation of the blush. The blush is faded from everywhere. And guys, see the situation of the blush. There is no blush on my apple of the cheeks. So guys, my top 3 pick would be Romance Juicy Lasting Tint, Mosaic Mansion, and lastly Paint and Pout Lip Tint by Blue Heaven. So guys, that was it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also share this video with your friends and family. I will see you guys next Friday. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.